In this video, I will show you how to use grouping via SQL in PySpark. To make things easy, I will put the table here in a simplified version. We talked about how to do a select in a previous video. If you would like to learn more about how to make SQL queries, check out the link below. To group rows, you can use the group by statement. The group by statement is putting all the rows together that are alike. For example, I will move Adria to the top rows to form a group. Because we group by name is going to group all names as I showed you up, it will remove all duplicates and display the results. This is similar to distinct. If you want to select more than a single column, it won't work. Let's see why. I will take as an example, Adria. So I selected name and bank underscore name. Adria is repeating 3 times, so after removing duplicates, a single name is returned. For bank name I have 3 entries, bank A, 2 times and bank D, 1 time. So after removing duplicates we get 2 items, bank A and bank D. For this to work it needs to return a single entry like it does for the name column. So as you can see it is failing because of the reason I said earlier. A solution for this problem is to also group by bank underscore name. You can select as many columns as you want as long as you aggregate by using a function or put into group by the column, like this. Let's see why we got these results. To make this more clear, I will order by name ascending. So I got Adria with bank A, and Adria with bank D. This happened because I grouped by bank name as well. Okay, but what if I don't need to group by bank name? I can use different functions to choose between bank A and bank D, so that I don't have to group by bank underscore name. If I use the min function for strings I will get bank A first. If you want to get bank D instead you can use the max function. You can use collect underscore list to get all. I will use the average function, because is grouped by name. It will use those 3 age values to calculate the average. If you don't already know, you can sort by index. So for example I can use 1 for the first column. One, 2, 3. So I can use indexes 1, 2 or 3. If I use 4 as an index an error will show up. I will switch back to name. The same thing is true for grouping. If I want to filter by name, I can simply use the where clause. I will also group by bank underscore name. But if I want to filter by a function, such as average, it won't work. To work, you have to use the having clause. The having clause can be used only after grouping and not before. Where clause is being used before grouping. I will remove collect underscore list because I'm grouping by bank underscore name so there is no need. Thank you for watching. If you like this video please share and subscribe. If you want you can become my Patreon and you will gain access to tutorial files and more.